building the healing giant in our garden, aren't we?
Yeah.
So the healing green goddess is coming to shape. We've got the green man over there, which has been nicely planted up, and that's really exciting. But he needed a mate, and what better day to have a mate than on May Day? Well, it's May Day Eve, so she'll be all planted up for May Day.
She'll be all planted up for May Day.
So that they can mate. So what we've got up here is we've got valerian by the head and some rosemary. We've got feverfew is making her hair. We've got lemon balm by the throat, nice and soothing and calming. Myrtle, which is the tree of love for the heart. Then we've got St. John's wort for the solar plexus, to that beautiful yellow flower colour. We've got calendula flowers for the sacral.
And I'm going to get you a red rose for the root. We're going to get you one today. A red rose in the groin area. Perfect. I thought that could be good for the sacred goddess.
Sounds good.
Hi, I'm Eliah, and today I'm doing chanting called Oh Mama. And it's really good. I'm trying to do later now.
It's amazing. It's so lovely seeing the male and the female together, united. Definitely be a nice place to practice yoga. It's so nice in the morning to do yoga. It's made such a difference to me over the last few weeks. Every morning waking up that little bit earlier and doing it, because it grounds your body, it grounds you, and doing it outside is even better, especially as the weather gets a bit warmer, because then not only are you grounding your energy through the yoga, but also you're connecting with the earth.